Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain exercise 12 in mental maths. See the first Roman. Write prime factors. Prime factors of the following. Numbers in index form. Following numbers in index form. Okay, see the given numbers and they are asking to write the number in the index form. Okay, see 48 they given here. First problem 48. So you have to do long division with prime factors. 48 is an even number, so it will go in even prime. That is 2 24s, again 2 12s, 2 3, 2 6 are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. Okay. See how to write 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. How many times 2 multiplied here? 4 times, and 3 is multiplied only 1. You have to write in index form, that is 2 power 4 into 3 power 1. See the second problem 63. 3 21s, 3 7s, 7 1s. 63 is equal to 3 into 3 into 7. So 3 square into 7 power 1. 3 square into 7 power 1. Next problem 72. Third problem 72. Okay, do with 2, 2 3s, 2 6, again 2 1s, 2 8s, 2 9s. Okay, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 2 cube into 3 square. Okay, so 2 cube into 3 square. And see the next fourth problem 132. 132. Okay, 2 6 are 12 and remainder is 1 and again it will 12. 2 6 are 12. Again 2 3s, 2 3s, 3 11s. 11 is a prime number, so 11 ones. 132 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. That is 2 square into 3 power 1 into 11 power 1. So this is the index form of that 132. Okay, go for the next Roman. Next Roman. Use shortcut method. Use shortcut method. Use shortcut method to find the answers. To find the answers. To find the answers. Okay, now see here 48. 48. First problem 48 into 12. So shortcut method means you have to write down that multiple multiplicand as sum of multiples of 0. So that is 48 into this 12 can express as 10 plus 2. Okay, 10 plus 2. So now you have to multiply 48 with 10 and 12. 48 into 10 plus 48 into 2. This property is called distributive property. 48 twos are 96. Add it 6, 17, 5. 576. Okay, na? So that implies 48 into 12 is equal to 476. Okay. So see the next problem. Second problem. 98 into 101. 98 into 101. So here 101 can express as 100 plus 1. Okay, so now multiply with 101. Okay, 98 ones. 98 100 plus 98. Add these two, 98 98. Okay, that implies 98 into 101 is equal to 98 into 9898. So it is easy to multiply Okay, two numbers. See the third problem. 275 into 1002. 275 into 1002 can express as 1000 plus 2. That is 275 into 1000 plus 275 into 2. So that is 275,000 plus 5 twos are 10, 7 twos are 14, and one more 1 is there, we have to add 15, and next one 2 twos are 4, okay, 4 plus 1 5, okay. See, 2 5s are 10 and 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15, 2 twos are 4 plus 1 5, add it now, 0 5 5 5 7. So that implies 275 into 1002 is equal to 27550. Okay. See the next problem. 124, 124 and 98. 124 into 98. See, 98 can express as 100 minus 2. 104 into 100 minus 2. Okay, 124 into 100 minus 124 into 2. So 12400 minus 842. Subtract 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 4 5, 3 minus 2 1, 2 1. Okay, so that implies 124 into 98 is equal to 12152. 12152. See the next problem. See the next problem. 152 into 11. 152 into 11. See, 11 can express as 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. 152 into 10 plus 152 into 1. That is 1520 plus 152. So 2, 7, 6, 1. That implies 152 into 11 is equal to 1672. It is very easy to do multiplication with this shortcut method, and this method is known as distributive property. Okay. See the sixth problem. 358 into 102. This 358 into 102. 102 can express as 100 plus 2. So 358 into 100 plus 358 into 2. Okay. See, that is equal to 35800 plus 16. Okay. 5 to 10 plus 1 11. 3 2 are 6 plus 1 7. 6 1 15. 5 plus 1 6 3. Okay. See, that implies 358 into 102 is equal to 3656. So today's class completed now. Okay. Bye children.